So welcome back friends. Every one of us wants to build a portfolio like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Radhakrishnan Damani like that. But we do not know how to build a portfolio like them. How to build a winning portfolio. How to build a portfolio full of multi-bagger stocks. So that is everyone's dream. But we do not know how to build a portfolio. So in this video I am going to discuss how you can build a super portfolio that will give you good returns and that you will do with multi-bagger stocks in the year 2020. And there will be a step-by-step guides on how you can add a stock in the portfolio, how you can check the health of the portfolio, and how you can delete a stock from the portfolio or sell a stock from the portfolio, and how you can ultimately fine-tune your portfolio. So this video is more on investing. This is not on trading. But for building a super portfolio full of multi-bagger stocks in the year 2020 is not that tough. You do not need that much of technical knowledge. So I'll show you exact steps by which you can make a super portfolio in the year 2020. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So once we are ready to invest in the stock market, there is some thumb rules. So what is the thumb rule? That we will buy only good stocks. We will buy only stocks with good fundamentals and we will not buy any kind of stocks with rumors or something like that. So we will actually focus on the good fundamental stocks. I'll show you the steps by which you can find a good fundamental stock. And next we will have a platform where we will actually see our portfolio, where we will watch our portfolio and where we will check the health of our portfolio time to time. So there is a simple platform, Money Control. Everyone knows about Money Control. So you can add your portfolio stocks in the Money Control and you can check the health of your portfolio in Money Control also. And I am going to show you how you can find good stocks that you will be adding as multi-bagger stocks in your portfolio. So let me show you the techniques. So friends, this is the Money Control site. In the Money Control site, there is a portfolio section. So click on the portfolio section. So if you do not have a portfolio yet, click on the create new portfolio. So there you can sign up with Facebook, with Google, or you can also sign up with the email and password. So I am already having a portfolio. So I am directly going to the login to portfolio option. Here also you can log in with Facebook, you can log in with Google, or you can log in with your mail ID and password. So I am going to log in with Facebook. You can see, my dear friends, the Money Control portfolio has been logged in. So you can see at a glance, you can see your portfolio standard, your portfolio status. So you can see my net worth is currently 11,38,000 and this is how much money I have gained on the last trading day, and this is the percentage gain. You can see the maximum gainer, the maximum gaining stock, that is GMMP Fodler, and the maximum loser stock, that is Everest Organics. Now you can see the full portfolio over here. What stocks I am holding in my portfolio, how much change in the price. So I am currently having these stocks: AstraZeneca, Avenue Supermarts, Bajaj Finance, Everest Organics, GMMP Fodler, Hestar Biosciences, Infibeam Avenue, Ion Exchange, and Manappuram Finance. So all these stocks I am having. Out of them, few stocks are doing exceedingly well, just like Bajaj Finance, just like GMMP Fodler. It has given 80% return since I have purchased. And there are few stocks those are losing also. Just like Everest Organics has not performed as I thought. So this is the complete portfolio. So you can add your stock once you have purchased a stock from the market. You can add the stock from here, just in the stocks, click on add. So there is a add stocks option. Suppose you want to add Reliance, so just type Reliance over here, click on search, and you can see all the Reliance stocks will come. So whatever stocks you want to add, there is a add option, click the add option. There is a Reliance, you need to mention your purchase date, you need to mention the number of shares that you have added, you need to mention the price that you have purchased the share, and then you need to click on the save option. So right now I am not going to add any new stock, so I am right now cancelling this option. So it will once again go back to my portfolio. So here you can see that how easy you can track your portfolio. So just you can log to the money control site in the portfolio option, and you can track the health of your portfolio. Time to time you can also check which stock is performing and which stock is not performing. So as in my portfolio I am seeing that few stocks, just like Hester Biosciences, it is not doing as I have thought. Similarly, Everest Organics, it is not doing as I have thought. Hester Biosciences I have purchased a long ago in the last year, and Everest Organics also I have purchased in the last year. That means in the second half of 2019. But these stocks has not performed well. So I am thinking to cut these stocks or sell these stocks from my portfolio. Now my dear friends, negative commenters and negative thinkers will now come and start commenting that you are showing a past portfolio, so it is of no use. But that is not the case, my dear friends. Few of the stocks that are there already in my portfolio, I have already recommended them in my website. So if you did not check the recommendations, I will suggest to go to my website stockmaniacs.net, and there is a multibagger section where time to time we also write about multibagger stocks for our readers. Just like these two stocks, DMart or Avenue Supermarts, that has been given super returns, or Bajaj Finance that has been given super returns, I have already mentioned them in my website for my readers. So I am taking you to that post. So my dear friends, this is the post where I have recommended 3 multibagger stocks for 2019, and we have recommended on July 22, 2019. You can see the date over here, July 22, 2019. So at the same time we have also purchased the stocks, and we wanted that our readers also make some money. And here is the link to the blog post, so that you can check the blog and you can find how we have recommended these stocks, and you can follow the same techniques to pick your next multibagger stock. You can see here we have written about Avenue Supermarts or DMart, we have written about Bajaj Finance, and we have also written about the other stock, that is Hester Biosciences. Now out of these 3 stocks, 2 have performed exceedingly well, and the other one, Hester Biosciences, is almost cost to cost. So this is a really helpful and profitable post for our readers. Those who have followed all these 3 stocks, they have made a good amount of gain in their own portfolio. And there is another post when we have also written about Everest Organics, though the stock has not performed that well, but well, out of 4 stocks, 2 stocks has given you good returns, and 1 is cost to cost, and 1 has given you some loss. So that is fine, my dear friends, because out of 4 you have made good amount of gains from these 2 blog posts. So if you are not following our website, make sure that you bookmark our website and you come back to our website time to time, so that you can find the next multibaggers that we write about. Now friends, I have shown you how you can follow your own portfolio, how you can build your own portfolio, and how you can check the health of your portfolio time to time. And we have also given you some resources from where you will be finding the multi-bagger stocks for 2020, for this year. and how you can build a super portfolio out of these multi-bagger stocks. Now, our stock picking technique has been told in the blog posts. So you will check back in the blog posts for our stock picking techniques, and I am also going to tell the same technique in this video also. So let us show you how we find good stocks for our portfolio. So friends, this is 5paisa web trading platform. They have a very nice feature of stock research. So I use this technique for finding the stocks for me. So you can see there is a research section. So I have already logged into the 5paisa trading terminal, and if you are already having the 5paisa trading terminal, you can follow my steps. If you do not have the 5paisa trading terminal, you can get the 5paisa trading terminal. I will give you the link of the 5paisa trading terminal to the video description. So you can follow that link and you can open a free account in 5paisa and you can use their free stock research option. So just I'll click on the stock research option and there is a smart investor option. Just click on that. So you can see there is a smart investor option. My subscription status is basic. You just need a basic subscription status. So you need not to pay any money to 5paisa. So just here there are advanced research tools, and in the advanced research tools there is a evaluation option. So just click on the evaluation option. So you can see this is their stock evaluation section. So you can put your stock to evaluate and you can find whether the stock is safe to invest or not. Just like, my dear friends, I am going back to my portfolio. You can see recently I have purchased two stocks. So one is Infibeam Avenue. This is a very recent purchase of mine. So you can see the current price is 58.35 and I am actually losing some rupees in this particular stock. So you can also purchase this stock and you can follow my exact technique. Now let us check whether Infibeam is safe to invest or not. Let us go back to the 5paisa stock evaluation section. So we will check about Infibeam. Write Infibeam here. You can see Infibeam Avenues Limited in NSE. Now here in the stock evaluation option, there are four categories. One is EPS strength, means the earnings per share strength. You can see that is great for this particular stock. Next, there is a price strength. You can see that is also good. You can see the buyer demand, that is also great. And you can see the group rank. Group means the company group, the industry group. The group rank is also great, that is 4. So you can see all of these particular 4 criterias are meeting for this particular stock Infibeam Avenues. So this is a very good stock to invest. So you can simply buy this stock Infibeam Avenues and add this stock in your portfolio. It will be helping you to build a super portfolio and it will surely become a multi-bagger stock in the year 2020. Now let me go back once again to my portfolio. So friends, I have shown you how you can build your own super portfolio and you can add multi-bagger stocks in that portfolio in the year 2020. And I have also shown you how I find my stocks to build my portfolio. And I have given you a name that I have recently added Infibeam Avenues in my portfolio, and I have also shown you the fundamentals of Infibeam Avenue. Now there is another stock. I have already added this stock few days back and I am already gaining few percentage like 20% in that stock, but still I believe that it still having very good potential and it can grow as a multi-bagger in the coming days. So let me also show you that stock. That stock is also you can add in your portfolio. So friends, let us get back to my portfolio. And in this portfolio, we can see there is one stock, Ion Exchange. I have purchased the Ion Exchange stock at 800 rupees. and I am currently gaining 20%, and the stock is quoting at 964 rupees. So I am gaining around 164 rupees per share. But still I believe the ion exchange stock is having good opportunity. You can make good amount of money in the ion exchange stock. So let us check the fundamentals of ion exchange. Let us go to the 5 Paisa stock evaluation platform and let us write the name of the stock, ion exchange. Yeah. Now you can see this ion exchange is once again having everything great. The FPA strength is great, the price strength is great, the buyer demand is great, and the group rank is great. So it is a very good stock to invest. You can purchase this stock. Though I am gaining 20% in this stock, still I believe that it is having a very big potential to go on the upside. So you can still safely invest in this stock. So friends, I have shown you my exact technique to find a good multi-bagger stock in the year 2020 and build a super portfolio for you. I have shown you how you can get a good stock, how you can add it to your portfolio, how you can check your portfolio in the money control website, and how you can time to time check the health of your portfolio. So I have also given you 2 stocks that are still unexplored. You can make good amount of money from these 2 stocks. One is Infivim Avenues and another one is Ion Exchange. So if you make money from these 2 stocks, do not forget to send me a mail in my mail ID helpdesk@stockmaniacs.net. You can also send me a WhatsApp message in my WhatsApp number +91 96743 21856. And time to time, do not forget to check my website at stockmaniacs.net. There is a multi-bagger section. I do write about multi-baggers time to time, or my team members write about multi-baggers time to time. So you can also make money from these multi-bagger stocks. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends or relatives, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days. Wait for my next video. That will be a big video for the budget day trading. Till then, bye bye.